This is our QSC Touch Mix 8. It's one of our new boards that we have here, so I'm just going to go over the basics for this. At the top up here we have the trim, or the gain for some people like to call it. We have our inputs right up here at the top. We have 8 inputs. They'll take the 3-pin XLR or 1/4 inch in these 4. The next 4 will just take the 3-pin XLR. The aux outs we have 4 of them, and they're on the back right out here. Our main left and right are right back here as well. We have the headphone jack if you need it. They also have stereo in 1/4 inch. There's 9 and 10 and 11, 12 right here if you need them as well. Here's the screen. It has the home button right here in case you go to anywhere else or a menu and you need to go right back. Hit home, it'll take you back home. And you got up on the top is set your inputs 1 through 8. Next is the stereo. Then we got FX, your aux sends, DCA. So if you hit home, it'll take you to the home screen here, and whichever one that you've already have selected. So we'll go to our inputs right now. Here it'll show your Q button, your fader, and your mute. We also have these user-defined buttons over here. There's U1, 2, 3, and 4. These you can go in by pressing Menu, go to the user buttons, and you can custom make them to where it'll either mute a channel, it'll toggle left and right, so you can go down to the different inputs and not have to just select them individually. Or it can also, you can make it to where it'll go up to unity on whatever channel you're on. So right now, I'll hit home, I'll go back. I don't have any of them selected right now. If I did, it would be blue. So right now, my user keys are 1 and 4, toggle left and right. So I can select whichever channel I would like. And the mute button on the bottom. This is a touch screen, so if you want to move them up, you can just touch it and grab with the fader. Or you can also use the wheel over here. It'll go up by increments of 1 dB. If you press and hold it down, it'll go in 0.01 dB. So if you want to do a lot of fine tuning, you can use that. Also, if you need phantom power, it's right up here on the top with the plus 48V. So you would press that, select whichever input needs phantom power. If it was 1, it would let you know 48 volts is going to 1. Press home to go back home. And if you ever need anything else, there's the menu. You can go to different scenes, the security, you can auxes, your FX. Remember, when starting any of these over, you always want to go to scenes. You want to use the default and hit recall button on the bottom. Yes. Now everything should be set back at 0. Next, we're going to talk about if you're setting up an aux signal or a monitor send on this board. To do that, you'd go press the aux, and right now we are in aux mix 2. If you need to select a different one, if you're in auxiliary 1, then you would come over here to mix select. Select whichever one. I want mix 1. Now it says aux 1 master. Whatever, now I can add in right over here what I want. If I want the microphone 1, and say I want microphone 3. Now those are my signals that are going out to aux 1, or monitor mix 1 if you want. And say auxiliary 2, I just need mic 2. Now those are all the ones that are going to number 2, and the ones that are going to number 1. And I can press my home, go back, and here's my main house mix. If I wanted to turn up 1, 2, 3. So now house is getting 1, 2, 3. Aux 1 is getting 1 and 2. Aux 2 is just getting 2. Let's go back home. There we go.